Guess who's back? Back again. We are back with GoMining. That did not fucking rhyme at all, but I don't give a shit. Welcome back to GoMining, solo mining. This is week 37, if I am not wrong. Again, 2 miners, 516 terahash, 15.16 watts per terahash, and a 6.47% discount. Honestly, I'm very curious on how much GMT I would need to get the max 20% discount on holding the X amount of GMT needed. But either way, yeah, we got the extra 16 terahash, the bonus miner, for another 13 days because we opened that beautiful platinum go box for reaching, 500 terahash. And I'm literally recording this a few minutes after I just recorded week 36. So guess what? The rewards on the dashboard here are going to be the same. This number might be different because, it's a few minutes after and its price has changed. But guess what? The Bitcoin rewards are going to be the same. And those total rewards are 0.03954772 Bitcoin. Says it's $3,770.18. But if we copy this and we go to the Bitcoin to a USD and then convert and then we delete that and we paste that in, we see that it is, oh my god, it's lying to me. It's lying to me by $7. Who do I trust? Who do I trust? I don't know. I'm trusting the higher number, obviously, because that means more money for me. That's an extra $7 apparently. So we're just gonna take that. Now this week it's for the time period of January 6th to January 12th. For this entire week, you already know, we had the 516 terahash. Look at that. Look at that. A nice steady flat line. Giant. It's huge. It's huge. Now obviously we only had one day this week where we were able to pay the fees with GMT because we had enough. But obviously you can see right here. This one's a good example because I know someone in the comments asked, why did I pay for my maintenance fees on this miner and not the other one? Now I didn't select that. Sometimes it'll just do that if you only have enough GMT to pay for one of your miners. That is if you have more than one miner. For this, because I also am using the bonus miner, I guess naturally they just don't want you to pay the fees with this in GMT. So you can see here, we paid with it with Satoshis. If I go back and I go to my actual miner, I come down Satoshis, but it says 00. That's because we used GoMining and GoMining. We didn't use Bitcoin like this one did here. 25 Satoshis, 9 Satoshis. And because of that, we got this full reward. Well, not as full as it can be. Just take a gander at that. 0.00021608 Bitcoin. That's the most Bitcoin I've mined in a day. Personally, I believe so. Other than when I was in Miner Wars and you get the occasional big blocks and you're in a small clan and you get like the big ass reward. But anywho, that does not matter. That does not matter. What matters is, did they get this number correct? We're going to add this up and we're going to see. We're going to see. Already, I don't think, just looking at it, I honestly don't think so. But I believe in my last video, I wanted to see at least 0.00071. So if we can at least get that, you never know. I'm just going to quickly put the numbers in the calculator and we'll see. We'll be back in 1 second. Okay. Seems like this week they were only off by 2. I don't know what happened last week. It might have been because I changed my amount of terahash and it was the one day where I had the 500, the rest were 250. I have no freaking idea. Either way, it's pretty close to the number I wanted. That is pretty damn close. So we're going to take that. We're going to copy it. We're going to come on over to here. We're going to delete that. We're going to put in 0.000 because obviously that's what's here. And then we're going to paste it. How much do we think it is? Last week was what? $41? We're going to say this is 48, 49? I don't know. Why did I think so little? God damn, look at that. $64.85. Yahoo! Wahoo! Look at that. Look at that. Money. Yeah. Money. Ha ha. That's pretty good to see. So I know now, because that was the first week of me having the 516 terahash. Obviously, in like 2 weeks, when we lose the extra 16 terahash, we're going to go back down to 500. But that's not going to make much of a difference. I don't think so. So we should be expecting at least $65 a week in Bitcoin. Now, convert that to Canadian, because I'm Canadian. That's close to $100 a week. Goddamn, gotta love passive income, man. Gotta love it. But of course, I have to check how much I would be making if we're back at all-time highs of 126,000. That'd be $85 a week. Hot tamales. That's pretty good. $85 USD a week, doing literally nothing other than making sure that I come here and, open this and I press this damn button if it kind of wants to know what it is. It's the service button, because occasionally I've been forgetting, because if you see right here on the time, it's 1:42. A few days ago, I was pressing this at 9 a.m. Now I'm pressing it at like fucking 2:15 because I keep forgetting. And now for the question that I wanted to answer in the first place. How much GMT would I need to get another 20% discount on my miner maintenance? Scroll this up. Oh my god. Holy shit. 12,000 GoMining tokens is $4,750. What the? I mean, I would be saving 6.8 GMT a day. So if we do that, 6.8, that's saving $2.70 a day on maintenance fees. But the one reason why I don't think I would ever want to purchase the maximum amount of GMT tokens to do this is just by looking at this chart. We can literally see that right here on the 31st of December, it was at 50 cents. 10 days later, 39 cents. If you have purchased 10,000 GMT, it would cost you $5,000. And you're like, sweet, I'm going to use that $5,000 to pay for my maintenance fees. But then all of a sudden, the price of GMT 10 days later is down at 39 cents. That $5,000 is only worth fucking $3,900 now. That's $1,100 less to pay for your maintenance fees. Personally, I don't look at that as a good investment. The only times that I'm going to have GMT in my wallet to have some nice days like this is because I have amazing people like the ones watching this video who do use my referral link down in the description. And for people who actually, buy Terahash, I get a very, 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 very small rebate of GMT. And because of that, I use that to pay for my maintenance fees to help me earn my 100% ROI even faster. But the thing is, I keep investing more money into this now. So pretty sure for me to earn my 100% ROI, it's going to be, I think, 2.5 years. Can't remember. But either way, start investing soon. Invest in something. It doesn't have to be Bitcoin mining. It doesn't have to be crypto. It can be anything. Just don't let your money sit there because inflation will eat it up faster than anything. And believe me, a savings account, 3% interest on 11% inflation, you're still losing money. It's terrible. Invest your money, do something. Again, if you want to invest in Bitcoin mining, referral link will be down in the description below. They are having a special little sale. So if you're creating a miner, they are having a nice little discount on that. The percentages kind of change. I don't know what it maxes out at, but I know up to here it says 14% off. The lowest is 8% off. If you already have a Bitcoin miner and you're already making some nice passive money, well, they have 10% off across the board. So I would probably make an upgrade before Bitcoin goes back above 100K because Bitcoin's looking like it's wanting to make another higher high. It just did, went dip down. And if it breaks again, it might just go to 100,000 and GoMining might just say, hey, deal's off. So get your upgrades in before it's too late. We'll see you guys soon. Have a good one and adios.
No, sir, I'm not trying to scare you. Seeking and searching, I need some more money. AI is scary, make us look like dummies. Serious about profit, I need it, I'm hungry. My music all over.